try to make room for people. Yes. Perfect. Hi guys, welcome. Welcome to the Heiniken experience. My name is Heiniken. I will shortly introduce what's going to happen throughout the tour. I always like to start off with a fun fact for the simple reason that I like fun facts, and therefore I also like to tell them to people. And the fun fact is that we're now standing in the old brewery, so the old factory of Heiniken. We used to brew beer here for a very long time, and if you look up to the ceiling where you came in, that's the end of a very big old kettle. So the entire brewery, you'll be walking in the old brewery literally. For the tour, there are a few things that you need to know. First of all, the tour is self-guided. This means that you will walk on your own, so there's no one tour guide that will stay with you the entire tour. But there are people like me, all my lovely colleagues, who want to tell you stories so you can kind of join and listen to them. Then, second thing is, as you probably already heard, the entire tour is in English. So if you have difficulty understanding English, you can download our audio guides. So then you can listen to it in your own language. Our audio guides application you can download on your own phone. We have free Wi-Fi in the entire building and also some headphones for you if you would like. Then, last but not least is your green wristband. Let me see if you all have it. Put it up in the air for me. Yes, please check if there's 2 tokens on top of your wristbands. Because these tokens are the most important part of the tour because they get you your beers. So, yes, protect them with your life. You know, yes, don't let them fall on the ground like that. Yes, to be serious, please just pay attention and don't lose them because you want to have your beers, am I right? Okay, perfect. This is basically everything that you need to know. If you have any questions, you can come up to me, and otherwise you can head into the tour and join my colleague parts.
So, welcome, my name is Bart, and I'm going to guide you through this first room. And we call this first room the Born in Amsterdam. Why do we call it the Born in Amsterdam? Because we always say that Heiniken is born in Amsterdam but raised by Brooklyn. It's also partly raised by this brewery that you have just entered. We have brewed beer in this brewery from 1867 until 1988. Then the capacity of this brewery became too small, so we built a new brewery, and that's where we brew our biggest part of our beer nowadays. But this brewery was way too important, way too valuable to just leave behind. So that's why we have turned it into the Heiniken experience. So you guys can experience what kind of magic we produce these days. The room where we're standing in right now, this place used to be a malting house in the original building. And a malting house is a place where we malt barley. Barley is the main ingredient of Heiniken here. What exactly malting barley is going to be explained to you later on upstairs. But the fact is that malting barley took a lot of space in this brewery. So very fast after we built this brewery, we were reaching our demand, we were reaching our capacity, and that's why we had to use this place elsewise very fast as well. So what we did, we were going to malt the barley outside the brewery, rebuild this place, and put 30 of those big silos here that you can see above you. And that is where then the malted barley would be stored. So it would come in through the candles, would be pumped up to the roof, into those silos, and those silos would be emptied from the bottom. Now if you come a little bit closer so everyone can take a little bit, look into the silos, come a little bit closer, I don't bite, I promise you. We can look into those silos, and you can get a noticeable height of work. They're about 20 meters high. We filled from the top, emptied from the bottom, so here comes one more time. There we go. And if later on upstairs, you walk through a lot of small rooms, you gotta keep in mind you're actually walking through all those rooms upstairs, through all those silos upstairs. Those silos are still relatively intact in shape, that's why all the rooms are very small and square. Now, if you follow me through the room, I'm going to show you a few more artifacts, a few more items. And the first one is over here. This crate contains a gold medal that was awarded to Heiniken at the World Fair in Paris in 1900. Now back in the days, World Fairs were quite a big thing. These countries would go there and present something that they were really, really proud of. In 1900, the World Fair was in Paris, and Heiniken was in the jury of this World Fair, and that's why we were awarded with a gold medal. A decade earlier, we already won a World Fair, and you can still see that we stayed that on the back of the bottle. So take a look on that back of the Heiniken bottle, and you can still see that we stayed. This was the World Fair in Paris in 1900 that Eiffel Tower was presented. And the fun fact is that Heiniken was actually the first company to have beer served on top of the Eiffel Tower in 1900. Alright, following to this crate over here. This crate contains a tanker mug that was used and another World Fair, this time in 1939 in North America. This time we really attended the fair, and what we did, we rebuilt a small Dutch village. So we were there with a windmill, people dressed up in typical Dutch clothes, wearing clogs, serving cheese, and of course, serving Heiniken beers. And we served it out of these mugs, and this was actually the first ever merchandise used by Heiniken at this group. This was in New York, America, 1939, 6 years after the alcohol prohibition in America. As you might know, until 1933, there was an alcohol prohibition and wasn't allowed to drink or sell any kind of alcohol. Under President Roosevelt, this alcohol prohibition was lifted, and from then on it was a real race between all drafting companies in Europe who would get their beer on American soil the first. Heiniken was the one to win this race. We were there with our first shipment of Heiniken beers only 6 days after the alcohol prohibition was lifted. And this first shipment consisted of 25 crates and only 50 barrels of Heiniken. This is in comparison to what we ship off nowadays, nothing. Nowadays, each day, 3 ships leave from the harbor of Rotterdam filled with Heiniken beers off to America. And it all started with such a small ship in December 1934. Alright guys, you can continue the tour upstairs. Upstairs you go through a lot of small square rooms. You might be walking through the side. Have fun.
and a total commitment to the responsible enjoyment of beer. By focusing on these core values, we'll continue to ensure a sustainable future for our company, our employees, and our shareholders. On behalf of the Heiniken family,
So, 95% of beer is water. So it's very important that the water is of the highest quality. So we're going to have water purification systems in all of our breweries around the world. So once we have that purified water, we then have to talk about the barley. The barley is a cereal or a grain we find in the south of France. The reason we have to get it from the south of France is even though the weather is very nice outside today, it's usually not nice here. Get it from there. We'll see the water, the barley, so that's